How to troubleshoot can't install Sophos Antivirus issue. For quick solutions. Method 1. Check internet connectivity. Step 1. First make sure that your wireless router is turned on. Step 2. Ensure that your device is connected to the wireless network. Step 3. Make sure that you have a stable network connection. Step 4. Now try to install Sophos Antivirus. Method 2. Uninstall other existing antivirus programs. Step 1. Click on the Windows search menu, type in Control Panel and open it. Step 2. Set View by to large icons. Step 3. Select Programs and Features, select the other antivirus program and click Uninstall. Step 4. If prompted, select Yes to allow the app to make changes to the computer. Step 5. If you get a pop-up window, select Yes to proceed. Step 6. The uninstallation process will take a while. Step 7. Once the uninstallation process is completed, click Finish. Step 8. If there are any other security programs installed, select it and click Uninstall. Step 9. Once done, close the window and restart the system. Method 3. Remove previously installed Sophos Antivirus files. Step 1. Click on the Windows plus or buttons together to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Type appwiz.cpl in the open field and click OK. Step 3. Right-click on the Sophos program and click Uninstall. Step 4. Select Uninstall in the pop-up window to proceed. Step 5. Click Close once the uninstallation is completed successfully. Step 6. Now download and try to install the program. Method 4. Perform a clean boot. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Run. Step 2. Type misconfig in the open field and click OK. Step 3. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab, then click Hide all Microsoft services. Step 4. Click Disable all, then go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Step 5. Look for apps with Enable status, right-click on it and select Disable. Step 6. Go ahead and disable all the enabled startup programs. Step 7. Once done, restart the computer. Step 8. Now download and try to install the program. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.